Welcome to Auto Trend, where we celebrate the world's most iconic cars. Today, we're diving into a true legend, the 1970 Ford Mustang, a car that defined muscle and style for generations. The 1970 Mustang was a standout in Ford's lineup, offering bold design and performance to match. With its aggressive front grille, long hood, and fastback profile, it radiated power and speed even while standing still. This model was a favorite among car enthusiasts, and for good reason. It was the perfect blend of beauty and brawn. Under the hood, the 1970 Mustang had a range of engine options, from the base inline-six to the beastly 428 Cobra Jet V8. The latter delivered up to 335 horsepower, making it a force to be reckoned with on the road or the track. Ford also offered the Mach 1 and Boss variants for drivers seeking even more performance and style. Step inside, and the Mustang's interior offered a driver-focused layout with a sporty yet comfortable vibe. Features like high-back bucket seats, wood grain accents, and a functional dashboard enhanced the driving experience. Whether cruising on the highway or tearing up the streets, the Mustang was built for pure enjoyment. The 1970 Mustang wasn't just a car, it was a cultural icon. From its appearances in movies and music to its role in shaping car culture, it remains one of the most beloved American classics. Even today, it's a must-have for collectors and a dream ride for enthusiasts worldwide. Thanks for joining us as we explored the 1970 Ford Mustang. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive legends. Stay tuned for more on Auto Trend, where classic cars never fade.